So I got this U-shaped magnetic neck holder mount max. I'm going to show you how to set it up with your phone. You're going to just take this, put it in there. I suppose you can put it in here too. I like this option, so just put it right in there. And then you just slide it right in there. Just make sure that the holes line up. Put this in. So you don't want to put it in all the way or you won't be able to adjust it. Now what you're going to do is put this around your neck, slide this in here, snaps right into place. There's a little button, I'll show you. Just put it back in place, and then to release it, you just push this button, and then you can remove it. Place a phone on here. I want the screen facing me so I can see what I'm looking at. If I want to do portrait, then I would put it in this way, and then you can adjust it, and you can see what you're looking at, and then you can just hit play. If you want to do it landscape, turn it and put it in again with the screen facing you so you can see where it's pointing at, and then you're ready to hit play. I'm going to show you how to hook up a GoPro. So I have a really old GoPro here, and it came with its own case. So you just put it in the case. You know, it has the little part here where you just place it right in there, line up the holes. All right, so just put it right in there, just like that. Put it around your neck, slide it straight into there. Get it at the right angle, and then you're ready to go. It's really comfortable. I love it. I have a head gear that I would put on my head when I would use my GoPro, and I way prefer this, having it just around my neck. It's way more comfortable. I love that.